What's going on, guys? Mattio Daddio Mining here. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So, today we are going to talk about yet another Kaspa fork, which is Nautilus. Let's take a peek here. Oh, blockchain information is on the Carlson algorithm. It is ASIC resistant. You get 1 block per second. GPU mining, proof of work, blah, 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 blah. I will leave the website down in the description below for you guys to check this out on your own. I'm not going to go over the white paper or anything else like that. I will let you guys do it on your own. This will be kind of, part of your guys' own personal discovery of this coin to see if it's something that you want to be a part of or not. It's not up to me to make those types of decisions. I will leave that up to you. This is strictly a how do I mine it type thing after you've, done your own research and come to conclusions that you actually want to partake in this. Okay. So, oops, that's Nexelia, which is also another fork. Kaspa forks all over the place. Okay, so I found this one in Mining Pool Stats. It is a new coin. Right here. It is on the Carlson hash, which is a fork of Kaspa, as I said. Currently it is on K1 pool, mining for people, blah, 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 blah. I'm probably going to point mine to the K1 pool. Okay, so the next thing we want to do, let's go set up a wallet. So I have the website here. I am on my isolated VM. This is a virtual machine that I use to test any different, websites, wallets, such, things like that. The only one available for this is a web wallet, so we're not actually installing anything. But you know what? Always just be careful. You never know. I'm not gonna go to this. So I have another VM that is just my wallets, and I'm not going to put this on there until we just make sure that everything's legit and okay. So once you're at the website, click on web wallet. Okay, we're going to click on create a new wallet. You create a password. And hit next. Okay, now here are my recovery seed phrase. And you will want to take note of this, take a picture of it, write it down, whatever you want to do. You could do both. Keep it in multiple different places because if you ever need to recover your wallet, you will need this phrase. So I'm going to take a screenshot real quick and I will be right back with you. Okay, all backed up. So we're going to hit next. And all it's asking right here is it's asking me what is the 7th word. And I think it's going to do this a couple of times. So I'm actually just going to pause this and get through this part so I can get rid of this blur screen. Okay, I am through that part, verifying my seed phrase. And remember, anyone with this 12-word phrase can access your wallet, your funds, so keep it safe. Do not give it to anybody. Do not lose it. If you lose it or if you forget your password, you are SOL, friends. Okay, so let's click done. There we go. And I want to add Nautilus Wallet app to the home screen. So we're just going to install that real quick. Perfect. Now we can get off here. Close that out. And there we are right here. Didn't need to close it out, but, just to show you. Okay, so open it back up. Open it back up. Let's put the password in. Okay, we are good to go. Now, I'm going to show you how to mine this on Hive OS. Let's get out of here, and I will see you when I am in Hive. Okay, here we are in Hive OS. Currently, I am mining Nexelia. I am currently mining it solo and doing pretty well with it. Everybody kind of hopped off Nexelia. Now I've just been jumping on it and snatching up everything and actually making a decent buck at it. I think profiting about $9-10 a day, something like that. Not bad. Okay, so just like Nexelia, which is also a Kaspa fork, we're just kind of hoping that one of these might do something in the future. So the thought is in reality it might not go anywhere, but if you stack enough of these while everything's kind of crappy, maybe the bull run, this might take a jump from 1 to 2 cents to $1. Why not mine 10, 20,000 of these things real quick? Sit on it and see what the hell happens, right? Okay, so the next thing we want to do, probably should have did this before I got out of the VM. So the first thing we want to do is create a wallet. So go back to your online wallet, copy that to clipboard, come up here to wallets, add a wallet, and then find Nautilus, N-A-U, or maybe it's NT. No. What is it called? I'm not up to date on the newest Hive OS, so I got a feeling that I'm going to have to, and they probably haven't put support in for it even in the most recent one either. So let me go back to Nautilus. NTL is what it is. Okay, so we'll just call it NTL. Sorry, typing one-handed. Okay, NTL. Paste in your address. Let's name it. Nautilus Web Wallet. Nautilus Web Wallet. Not Web Wallet. Okay, create. And the next thing we want to do is create a flight sheet. Okay, NTL. Perfect. Select the wallet that we just created. Select a pool. We will configure that in the miner. Let's see. I'm a fan of LOL miner, so let's go there. Okay, coiner algorithm is going to be Carlson hash, if I can type. Click on that. And that. There needs to be a space here, though. Nope, there needs to be a period between these two. That's what I'm missing. Okay, so for now, the pool server, we need to go to miningpool.stats, K1 pool. That's where I'm going to have it. And we need to find the pool information. Click on Start Mining NTL right here. Click on the USA tab. This is our pool and port. Okay, pool server there. We'll specify the port. I think it was 3377. Yep. Okay. Put an X. Oops. Put an X in there. Extra config arguments. I am going to do this on my 1660 Super rig, and it's currently mining. What is it? This is currently mining Nexalia. And it's also a Carlson algorithm. So I'm actually just going to paste the same arguments into here for that device. And then next, I think we're looking good. Apply changes. And now we are going to name it. Hey, Nautilus 1660 Super. Create flight sheet. Let's go to my 1660 Super rig. Yes, I know I do have a GPU that is down. I had one that is overheating and I pulled it out and I'm waiting for replacement thermal pads to arrive. Okay, so flight sheet. Now we just need to go down to the one that we just created, which is NTL right here, Nautilus 1660 Super. So let's send her to the moon, and let's go to the web interface, and let's see what happens. Those are all the clocks being applied. What do we say down here? Okay, we have hash rate so far. All right, we'll let this run for, oh, okay, we got a share, perfect. So we'll let this run for 10 minutes or so, and then I will go to the pool, put in my wallet address, and we will make sure that we are actually showing up. I'll be right back with you. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes, 5-10 minutes somewhere in there. So let's go back to the K1 pool and let's see if we're being recognized on the pool. So you'll want to come up here to the search bar. Then you're going to paste in your mining account. Or not your wallet address, not mining account. Hello. Miner is not active now. Okay, I guess we'll wait longer. Well, I don't know if I'm not waiting long enough to show up in this pool or not, but we've been sitting here for 12 minutes. I am getting accepted shares, but for some reason, I'm not showing up in the pool. No, miner is not active now. So again, I don't know if I'm just not waiting long enough. I'll give it maybe a half hour. I don't know. Like I said before, I don't really mess around with K1 pool, so I don't know if it's like like Hero Miners or something like that. Hero Miner shows up pretty dang quick, so not 100% sure. We'll give it another 30 minutes or so, and if we're not showing up by then I think I'm going to show, or not show. I think I'm going to put it on a different pool. I mean, really, as soon as, pretty quick after you get those first shares, you should be showing up in the pool. So, yeah, we'll see you again in another half hour or so. All right, well, I waited about a half hour or so, and it still wasn't showing up at the pool, so I changed it to the solo mining pool in K1 pool just to see what happens there. I did notice on the interface part that shows you the hash rate and all that stuff. This page. Having a brain fart, can't think of the name of it, but I was showing that I wasn't getting that many shares. I was getting shares, but they weren't happening very frequently. So I don't know if there's an issue there or what's up. I still haven't gotten any shares. I've only been on this pool for a minute though, so we'll let this run for a little while longer, and we'll see if I show up on the pool. Oh, there's our first share right there. Okay, cool. So we'll see if I show up on the pool side with my wallet and see what the heck happens. So I'll talk to you again in a little bit. Okay, guys, I figured it out, and it's just stupid moment on my part. So here's the deal. So I put in my wallet, and it's going to show up. Miner's not active now. So I decided to test out taking out the Nautilus part. So any other Carlson hash or Kaspa, whatever mining pool, you've always had to include this name, whether it be Nexelia, Nautilus, well, not Nautilus in this part, but Nexelia, Kaspa, whatever, and the colon. So I decided to take this out, and that was my problem. There we go. So now I'm showing up. So we'll go here. I already pulled it off, and I already pulled it onto solo, and I can definitely move it back here. But actually, I might not move it back here because the network hash rate on this, that's Nexelia. Network hash rate on this thing is so low right now. Maybe I'm just going to put everything on this thing solo for right now and just let it rip and see what happens. The only downside is there's no exchanges right now, so I can't mine and hurry up and sell. I don't even really know what the price of it is right now. I think they're guesstimating that it's going to be a penny. But you know what? Why not? Let's see what happens. Let's make a bag of this stuff, and let's hope it will, go up a couple of cents. Make a quick bag, sell it real quick, and be out. Put it towards Kaspa. Alrighty. Well, that is about it, my friends. That is how you mine Nautilus on Hive OS to K1 pool. All right. I will catch you guys later. Have a wonderful night. If this helped you guys out at all, please like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a good one.